nako, ito na naman guys. Luto-luto na naman. This is our dinner. Choy sam with egg. And then, pork. Yan ang aming dinner. Ito ang masarap sausawan. Sausawan ko dyan yung sweet. Parang yung matamis-tamis na sili. Matamis-tamis at maanghang.